To second chapter is percent. As you remember, when you were studying fractions, you studied a pie or pizza, and you said that half of it, for example, is 1 over 2. The total is 1. And quarter, 1 over 4, 0.25. Percent, it is the same. We show what part of a whole number is what we have. For example, 1 is considered as 100%, and 1 over 2 is considered as 50% because it's half of 1, so half of 100% is 50%. And 1 over 4 is 25%. Of course, percent can be bigger than 100. It can be 150, 200, etc. For example, when you have 2 pies and half of it, we say it is 2 and 1 over 2. 2 whole and just a half. When we want to express it in percent, we will write it 250%. Sometimes inflation is so big that they say inflation is 200% or 300% when something is increased 2 times or 3 times. Jacob got 50% of the questions correct on a 30 question test and 90% correct on a 50 question test. What percent of all questions did Jacob get correct? Let's find firstly how many questions he answered correct on the first test. And this one is easy because it's 50%, it's half, right? Half of a 30 question. So divided by 2, 15 questions were correct. 15 questions were not correct. And let's find on it. This is test 1. This is test 2. 90% were correct. So we will write 50 questions. It is total. It is 100%. X questions we don't know. It is 90%. We will use cross product. X equals to 50 times 90 divided by 100. These cancel, 0, 0 and 0, 0. We have 5 times 9, it's 45. 45 divided by 1 is 45. So 35 questions correct. Now we need to find percent of all questions that he got correct. First test, 15 questions correct. Second test, 45 questions correct. So total he has 60 questions correct. And we know that we have total 30 questions, and here we have 50 questions. So total test questions were 80 questions. Let's write it. 80 questions, it is 100%, like all our questions. And 60 questions he got correct. What percent is it? Cross product again, 60 times 100, and we divide by 80. This 0 cancel. We have 600 divided by 8. We can simplify by 2, 300 by 4. It is 75%. So answer is 75%. He got correct. It's good.